Today I'm going to show you how to get on the reading inventory test. So you need to get on your ClassLink and log on. I'm pretending to be one of Miss Stanton's students named Linda. Once you log on to ClassLink, you need to find the picture of the dog with the key that says Sam. He's usually at the bottom. There's another dog up here that doesn't have a key. Click the one that has the key. Once you're logged in, go to the left side with the blue box that says Reading Inventory. And then on the left side again, go to the green box that says ABC Foundational Reading. Then you've all seen this test before, so get ready to take it. I want you to find a quiet place where you can concentrate and do your best work. It's also important that you do this work by yourself and do it without anyone helping you so that your teachers can really see how smart you are and see what you know, because we all know that you're so super smart. So find a quiet place to concentrate, take the test by yourself, and do your best work. We know you can do it.